This video is sponsored by iSkySoft. Their Black Friday offers have already started. Get their 5-in-1 bundle and save up to $123, or get any of their software and save up to 40%, like the iSkySoft Toolbox for iOS, which allows you to transfer data, backup, recover, erase, or repair your iOS device. Hey, what is going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys some of the best new shortcuts that you can get for your iOS 13 device. The first shortcut for the video is called Epic Control Center. Now this one allows you to perform a ton of actions, change settings and all that directly from the shortcut widget. So all you gotta do is install the shortcut, of course, and then you can place it on the widget right here to quickly perform any of these actions. Of course, you can also use it from the shortcut app. Now if you tap right here, we'll see that you will have a ton of options, like you can change settings, you can go ahead and show the battery percentage right there, you can go ahead and show your clipboard. So you want to take a look at your clipboard, you can see what you have copied there. You can change settings, like you can turn on like the dark mode, light mode, all that directly from this new control center. As you can see right here, you will also find quite a lot of options that you can change, and you cannot even find them on the control center, the stock control center of your iOS device. The next shortcut for the video is called Auto Dark Mode Detection. Now with iOS 13, of course, we have the dark mode, and some of the websites do support the dark mode. So when you turn on dark mode, it will also turn the website into the dark mode. Some of them don't, so you can use this shortcut. Just tap the share button on any website and then just tap on dark mode detection, and right there it allows us to go to the dark mode. Now you can see I run the shortcut, it doesn't do anything because I have my device on the light mode. If I turn on the dark mode, you will notice that now it will also turn the website into the dark mode. The next one is called Apple Software Sign-in Service. So you want to take a look at which iOS versions or Apple Watch versions are being signed. Any version, any software of Apple, you can do that using this shortcut. All you gotta do is just tap on the shortcut, choose your device right here, and then of course choose the type of your device. Let's say iPhone 8 Plus right there. As you can see right here, it shows a list of all the versions right here, and it shows whether they are being signed or not. So you can see currently for the iPhone 8 Plus right there, only iOS 13.2.3 and 13.2.2 are being signed. Change EQ is a shortcut for your music. So you want to quickly change the EQ of your music, you can do that from the shortcut. Just tap right there, it will take you right into the EQ settings. Now by default, of course, you can do that by going to settings, then go to music, and then go to EQ. But if you want to do that quicker, way faster, then you can use this shortcut. Just run it from the shortcuts widget right there, and here you go, you can go ahead and change the EQ on your iPhone. Quick search. What it does is that it allows you to quickly search for anything on Wikipedia. So just using this shortcut, you tap on it and you can go ahead and just basically enter right there anything you want to search for. Click OK and then click yes right there if you type that correctly, and it will show you anything you search for on Wikipedia. As easy as that, quickly, without having to open the website. You can do that directly from the Shortcuts app. So that's it for this video, guys. These are some of the best new shortcuts that you can get for your iOS 13 device. Now, if you want to download them, make sure to check out the pinned comment. You will find all the links there. So that's basically it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Also, don't forget to leave a like and the comment on this video, and I will see you on the next one.